Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my Journey to Me vlogs about weight loss, and today I'm at 56.75 kg. Yes, I gained a little bit, but that's okay. As always, starting the day with black coffee. I'm craving breakfast food for lunch, so I'm having 2 sunny side up eggs, toasted bread, a little bit of butter, and some cucumber. Even though I gained a little bit of weight, I'm not shying away from eating carbs today, so I'm going to have my sunny side up eggs and my bread. But first, we gotta eat the veggies so that we don't have any sugar spike. Also, this is the balsamic glaze that I put on my cucumber. I haven't had toast on butter for such a long time, so this one is really good and I enjoyed it. I'm actually waiting for the protein powder that I ordered so I can make protein pancakes and other good stuff. Since it's already lunchtime, this will also be my pre-workout snack for my workout later. I really like eggs and I don't get sick of it, so I can actually eat it every day. The best for me is sunny side up eggs and then poached eggs. So now it's time to work out. It's very hot outside. This is the only shade that we have going to the gym. So this is me covering my head because it's so hot. Walking to the gym gets my steps in and it serves as a warm-up already. So here's me starting my workout with some squat thrust. Luckily, there's not much people in the gym right now, so we can work out freely and can move easily. I only have training session like 2 times a week, so we do full body workout during the time that we're at the gym. So this workout, lat pull down, is targeting my back. I'm already at 25 kg, 3 sets. I was actually shocked when I saw that my weight was going up and I'm actually gaining weight. But then I realized it's because I'm doing gym and I'm building muscles. So muscles have more weight than fats and muscle also retain water. So it's fine. I'm not panicking and I'm just embracing the weight that I'm in right now. So I'm doing a body recomposition where I want to change the shape of my body and not just lose weight. And for me to achieve that, I need to gain muscles and lose the fat. Apart from working out, so today I worked out for 1 hour, burned 450 calories. Apart from that, we need to eat a lot of protein and fiber and get some good quality sleep. But before sleeping, I would like to try the trend where you put protein shake on your coffee. So here's me having some coffee and putting some protein shake in it. And let's see how good it is. It's 25 grams of protein. So here's my protein for today. I think the protein shake overpowered the coffee. I can't taste the coffee anymore. It just tastes like protein. But here's my after workout snack. And I'm having just lettuce and some chicken salad. Oh, and we went to a friend's house and we had KFC and rice for dinner. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye.